Hello everyone, my name is Miss Vera. I'm an educator and have a YouTube channel at Allo Tutors. Today, I'm going to teach you mathematics and the topic is subtraction of numbers. So get your notepads ready. Now at the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the terms used in subtraction, solve basic subtraction of numbers, and subtract decimals. And don't forget to pause the videos to understand it. Now here's the terms used in subtraction. We have take away and minus, and you can also have subtract which is also the same thing. Now taking away one, now when let's using the basic ways of counting, we have 9 using your hand, 9 fingers or 9 whatever. Taking away 1, we have 8. Taking away 8 1 from 8, we have 7. Taking away 1 from 7 to give you 6. Taking away 1 from 6, it will give you 5. Just be removing your fingers. Taking away 1 from 6 to give from 5, it gives you 4, and from 4 it gives you 3. So as you observe, the arrow is just going backwards. I always like to say that subtraction means backwards, and that you see the arrow going backwards and the other addition is forward. Now here's an example for you. Now subtract 7 from 9. Using the basic methods of counting, and you have 9 and you're told to subtract 7 from it, and the first method is you count 9 and take away 7, and of course the answer will give you 2. You can try it out, you can see from the illustration. And second example, you can count from 7, and you start moving, you hold 7 in your heart, like 7, and you continue and stop at 9. 7, and observe your fingers. 7, hold it, and they say 8, 9. Your fingers is pointing at 2. So there's another way of subtracting, whichever methods you can use. Now here is another example for you. We have using the basic place values, units and tens. Now the rule is you start from the right and you start subtracting from the right. Now yes, you start subtracting from the right, and another rule is that when you're subtracting, just like addition, you don't you subtract numbers with numbers and alphabet with alphabet, whatever. You don't subtract number from alphabet because they are not alike. You only subtract, like here you see 45C minus 12C, so they're actually the same. Now you arrange it, basically you arrange it from the unit, which is the first digit, place value to the tens, and now we have 45 and 1 and 2. The basic way of arrangement is very, very important, so you have to take notes, and you always start arranging from the first one, which is the unit. Okay, and you can see now we have 5, removing 2, taking away 2 from it, it gives you 3, and 4, taking away 1, it gives you 3. And so that's the basic way of subtracting. Like I said, it's the same if you have whether it's A or B or C or AC or whatever, the same term applies as long as you subtract a number. You don't subtract different numbers together, okay, or you don't add it together. Okay, now stick with me, friends. Now here's an example. Subtract 234 from 500. That means you are to remove 234 from 500. Now we're going to arrange it because wow, this is a bigger number, so we're going to arrange it with our place value using 100, tens, and unit. You start from the unit, tens to the 100. Now after arranging the numbers 500, don't forget what I told you. You start from the right, start arranging from the right, so that you don't start from the left because you can get confused. So now when we are trying to add, now I haven't placed them together, we have 0 from the unit. Observe, we have 0 removing 4. Of course it's not possible to remove 0. 0 means nothing from 4, so we have to go to the back and borrow 1 or remove 1. And wow, what do we see here? There's nothing here. The tens, we have 0 digits, 0 number, and it's not possible, so you have to go to the 100 to remove 1. And so this is what 5. Taking away 1 from 5, it gives you 4. and that one that has been taken away will not just zoom to the unit. You have to pass through the normal process. So that one that has been taken away from 4 will drop it at the tens, which is 10, and that 10 will take away 1 from it, becomes 9, and then drop it finally in the unit, which is what, that 0 now becomes 10. We don't drop the 1 in front, but we drop it at the back to form a bigger number. Now it's 10 taken away 4, we have 6. 9 taken away 3, we have 6, and 4 taken away 2, we have 2. Wow, I hope that is explanation enough. Okay, this is another example. While trying to subtract decimals, the first thing, just like addition, the decimal point must align together, and after decimal point you have the tens and the hundred. The second way is the arrangement. Okay, you start from the decimal, and you just like they all met at the decimal point and they spread from there, coming together at the decimal point and spreading from it from the left to the right. Okay, and now then you arrange it and then you subtract it basically the same way. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Taking away 4 from it is 2. 3 taking away 5, of course it's not possible. Okay, you have, from the unit side we have 3 taking away 5 is not possible. So what I tell you, you have to go and borrow 1 from the back, which is 5, and 5 taken away, you take away 1 from 5, it gives you 4, and that one that has been taken away, you drop it down. Okay, wow. And now it's not just 3, now it's now what, 13, and now 13, wow, we can take away 5 from it, so it gives us 8, and now we have 4 taking away 3, it gives us 1. Okay, wow. I know there are more complex subtractions, and when you stick with me in my other videos, wow, we'll learn together. Now here's a basic take home for you. Subtract the following numbers: 453 minus 67, and 500 minus 412, and 280b minus 75b. Of course, you realize I didn't say 280b minus 75 because they are not the same. So bb, the alphabet that makes it the same. Well, I hope you've been able to get enough. Please don't forget to pause the video upon watching it for anyone that seems difficult, but I know it's been simplified enough, and I really value your comments. Please feel free to comment and follow me on all my social media handles. I really want to hear from you, and I'm thrilled. Please follow Grand Scale International on all social media platforms for more educational videos. Also leave a message in the comment below if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.